हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एडवांस राउंड के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। ये अच्छे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इसमें है कि द रीड द फ्लोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ones. So now option A is increase in mass and increase in number are the twin characteristics of growth. Option B, metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside body in the isolated cell free system. Okay. Option C, feel or response to a stimuli is a defining property of a living organism. So read the following statement and select the correct statement. So इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, ये क्वेश्चन का डिमांड है। तो आफ्टर ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑल द ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट। सो ऑप्शन डी इज द आंसर। सो ऑप्शन डी इज द आंसर। ओके, द नेक्स्ट 21 number questions. The scientific name of the banyan is written as the ficus, ficus, ficus bengalensis L. Which of the following statements correct regarding this? Option A, Latin L signifies the Latin language. Option B, the name should be written reverse with the pen glasses. And option C, letter L signifies the taxonomist lineage. And the option D is the Bengalensis is the generic name. So the demand of this question of 21 is the written as the, so which of the following statement are correct regarding this? So इसके रिगार्डिंग कौन सा कथन सही है बताइए। तो ये ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग दिस। ओके, ये ऑप्शन सी। नाउ नेक्स्ट, which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following character is not correct? So option A, biodiversity is a occurrence of variety of the life form, FORM form. Okay, differing in the morphological, anatomy, habitat and habits. Option B, systematics is the branch of biology which deals with calculating catalogies plant, animals and other organisms. Okay, other organisms deals with the catalogic plant, animals and other organisms into the categories that can be named, remembered, compared and studied. Okay, now option C, classification is the branch of biology which that deals with the principle and procedure of the identification and nomenclature of the organism. Now option D, biodiversity is the study of aquatic life forms on the basis of morphological features only. Okay, now so what is the not correct स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग आउट ऑफ 4 ऑप्शंस? तो बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन गलत है, सही नहीं है। सो ऑप्शन सी सही नहीं है, गलत है। क्यों गलत है? क्लासिफिकेशन इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी दैट डील्स विद द प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रोसीजर आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म। नहीं, क्लासिफिकेशन तो नोमेनक्लेचर ना होना चाहिए, तो इसके वजह से। नाउ 23rd नंबर क्वेश्चन क्या है? सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द टैक्सोन जीनस। जीनस के बारे में आपको बताना है कौन सा कथन गलत है। सो ऑप्शन है, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ असेंबलीज ऑफ द रिलेटेड स्पीसीज। ओके, अ जीनस essentially possesses more than one number of species. Lion, tiger, leopard are the closely related species which have been placed in the genus Panthera are respectively named as Panthera leo, Panthera tigris and Panthera pardus. So what are the incorrect statement regarding? So here option B is correct for this, option B. Okay, now next, now 24th number questions. Read the following statement regarding biological museum. Option A, biological museum are generally set up in the educational institutes such as school and colleges. Option B, museum are the collections of the preserved plant and animal specimens for the study and reference. Now the next, option C of the 24th number question is specimens are the preserved in the container or jar in the preservative solutions. Option D, insect are preserved in the insect boxes after collecting, killing and panning. Now, option E, larger animal like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. Now, option F, a skeleton of the mammals are not allowed to be kept in the museum. Okay. So now, what the demand of this question? Which of the above statement are not correct? You have to study careful and give the answer. So बताइए कौन सा कथन इसमें सही नहीं है. So option F only not correct. Okay, option F only not correct. ये option D, that means option D. Okay, now next 25 number question. Study the following statement regarding the preparation of herbarium sheet. Whenever we are preparing for the herbarium sheet, then what we have to require? So option A, herbarium also serve as a quick referral system. Okay. Option B, every detail regarding the plant such as the locality, ecological condition, vegetative and floral characters, etc. should be noted. Option C, plant are eventually preserved by the unfolding all the plant parts between blotting paper or newspapers with the help of plant pressers. Option D, blotting paper need not to be changed until the plant get dried. Option E, after the drying the plant specimen is carefully mounted passed on the herbarium sheet. Okay, now next option F. Option F. The herbarium sheet is labeled on the lower right hand corner, representing the local and botanical name, date of the collection, etc. So the demand of this question is that which of the above statement are not correct? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा कथन गलत है, सही नहीं है? So 25 number questions, option B. Okay, option B. That means option B, okay, are not correct. Now next 26 number questions. Read the following statement. ठीक है. Option A, taxonomical hierarchy for the Mangifera indica can be written as Planta, Angiospermia, Dicotyledon, Sepindles, and Encardiaceae, Mangifera indica. Option B, tautonym is the taxonomical designations used for the certain plant having the trinomial nomenclature. Option C, taxonomic keys are generally analytical in nature. Option D, family Fabaceae is divided into 3 subfamilies. There is the Leguminaceae, Mimiaceae, and the Caesalpinaceae. Okay, so which of the following combinations of the above statement are correct? तो किन सा कॉम्बिनेशन ये निम्नलिखित कथन का सही है बताइए. 26 का ये कथन आपका कौन सा सही है? तो इसके अंदर आपको मिलेगा ये सही है, सी सही है और ये डी सही है. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन डी. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन डी हुआ. चलो